Hello. Today I'm going to show you what is the benefit of using Appfolio, what is the advantages of using Appfolio, some of the features of the Appfolio. Here I'm sharing my screen to show you the Appfolio screen. This is what you log in. You get Appfolio, and on the left side you will see all the menus, the different functionalities. The first one is the dashboard. In the dashboard you will see the overall health of your property management company or your real estate portfolio. The calendar will show if you have any particular tasks assigned to it. Then this is the place you come and see what all is available for today. And leasing, this module explains the overall leasing of your company, about vacancies, how many properties are vacant, and if there is any vacant properties, do you have any guest cards, any leads, the applications, if somebody is interested in it, their application to it, and their leases, renewals, signature, digital signature. All those features are included in this leasing features. And this is one great feature of Appfolio, where whenever your property is vacant, on one click you can click on the properties. This shows the list of all properties are vacant. When you post these properties, this gets posted to different websites: Zillow, realtor.com, apartment.com. They have integrated with other systems where the details will be posted there. And it gives you a lot of features to manage the leasing activity, what a leasing agent does it. So this is one of the great features you have. We can go in detail in another video of what all features each of these modules has. Then this is the property modules. So this is basically the list of all the properties, whether it is single family, and you can click on a particular property. It gives the full information of the property. Specification: is it a three bedroom, two bath? What is the lockbox code? When the management started? How many square feet? All the details of the properties is handled here. And you have a ton of features here. You can talk for hours on how to manage your property out there here. This is the module which does this. Again, we can go in detail about it. uh, this is the peoples, the different people, which are the customers you have. The first one is the tenants. Obviously, if you're a property manager, these are your customers. Uh, you have all their details. On the right side, you have more accounting details about a tenant, what all tasks you can do to a tenant. That is all shown here on the right side of it. Then you have owners. This is your clients, basically, who are all the different clients, any their personal information, anything related to the owners. That is your client information is right here. Then you have the vendors. Vendors are obviously your helping to run this operation, such as your electrician, plumber, handyman, all the people who are on your, if you issue 1099 at the end of it. Um, they are shown here on this right side. You have the different tasks and reports you can do on a vendor. Then the accounting module, one of the most complicated module, and a lot of features. Receivables will tell what all is the receivables. What is the money you are supposed to get from here. This is a search here. You can enter any particular receipts that you want to put it here. You can apply it, all those things in this receipts. Payables are the bills you are going to you have to pay to your other folks, whether it is owner, whether it is vendors, tax, whatever it is, any payments. This is where you handle this. And bank accounts is the list of all bank accounts you have handle, and different other reconciliation. This is the big one. You have all the different tasks you can do, different reports you can do. uh, Appfolio started with the accounting module, and this is one of the strongest features they have. They have very extensive functionalities in the accounting module. Then comes the maintenance. So maintenance is where, uh, you know uh, any property manager, that is your different task. You get different issues, whether the client is reporting it or owner is reporting it, or the tenant is reporting it, or you have to do it. You can put all those as work orders here, and you can specify which unit, what kind of person, who is going to take care of it, all the pricing about it. So this is all the different work orders, recurring work orders, inspections, inventories, or all those related to the maintenance is handled here. Then you have the reporting. Reports gives you, a ton of health about these properties or even the units who are all delinquent. What is the owner statement? Every month you have to send the owner statements. Those can be explained it, shown here. Tenant ledger, guest card entries, accounting related information will be shown in this particular places, where you have the balance sheet, general ledger, income statement, cash flow. Then you have the leasing reports. Anything related to the leasing, you have it here. Owner reports and vendor. You have a ton of reports based on it. Then unit and the properties. What all units are vacant, what all properties are vacant, related to it. Then you have tax reports, tenant reports. Tenant reports is another delinquencies. You want constantly have to you have to monitor who are all delinquent, follow up with them. Those are all handled in the tenant reports. Then you have a transaction reports and custom reports. You can schedule your own reports on a basis. You can send monthly. That is about this module. Then you have this communication is that you can have your letters. You want to send a standard notices, 3-day notice, 5-day notice, delayed notice, unpaid charges. You can have templates in these things, or even communication, different kind of communications. You have announcements, whether it is to the vendor, whether it is to the owner, tenant. All kind of communication is there. And Appfolio has integrated SMS, text messages, emails inbuilt in it. So any calls goes from here, or any SMS goes from here. It will have that standard number, and even the emails. It will go. It gives you the authenticity of the emails. Uh, Now, these are the features what you have in Appfolio. We can go in detail about each of those functionalities in separate videos, but this is on a high level what you have. And in addition to that, you also have the settings, general settings. This is the administration of it. We can see what all access, who can give access, to whom you want to give access, how much you want to give the access. All those things can be set here. And then you have my settings. Okay, what is my role, how much permission do I have? All those things happens here. You can review it at this particular place. So overall, this is the features of Appfolio, and this is the Appfolio's property manager application. They have other suites too, and this is my overall uh, features about the Appfolio. If you like it, please put your comments out there. If you're looking for very specific information, you can put more details. If you put a comments below. Thank you for watching. I'm Kumar from Acrebook. We help companies in managing their portfolio using softwares like Appfolio, Buildium, Tenant Cloud, Yardi, any of those softwares. We help them. Thank you all.